Hi friends, welcome to the Modern Learning. Today we're going to learn how to write a 100 words essay. So let's get started. A 100 words essay is a short piece of writing. It might be assigned by a school teacher to test the students' knowledge of the topic and their ability to formulate thoughts concisely. Now, the frequently asked questions about 100 words essay are: Question 1 is, how many pages is a 100 words essay? And the answer is, 100 words text usually takes about 1 page, means an A4 size. The next question is that how many paragraphs is a 100 words essay? And the answer is, a 100 words essay should include 1 to 2 paragraphs. In academic writing, a paragraph should contain at least 50 words and 5 sentences. Let's check out 100 words essay example for a better understanding. 100 words essay on trees. Trees are significant in our life. Life will turn out to be extremely troublesome without trees. We can say that life would be impossible without trees. Unfortunately, individuals are roughly chopping down trees without understanding their importance. Trees give us oxygen, which is required for breathing. Trees also help to control air pollution by absorbing harmful gases from the environment. They provide shelter, shade, and food to many animals. Trees are God's most prominent blessing to life on earth. If the individuals will continue to chop down the trees eagerly, one day will come when we will have no trees left with us. Trees are our heritage, and we need to preserve them for our generations. We should comprehend the significance of trees, and we should plant a tree at whatever point we are chopping down a solitary one. We should not harm a tree and let it live. So friends, this was an example of 100 words essay. As mentioned earlier, that a 100 words essay is a short piece of writing. It should include 2 paragraphs. Each paragraph should contain at least 50 words. So, today you've learned how to write a 100 words essay. If you liked the video, just give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. See ya!